The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be a major upgrade, particularly in terms of its front design, which has remained largely unchanged since the iPhone 14 Pro debuted in 2022. Now, after 3 years, Apple is finally making significant changes to the front of its most premium iPhone model, and the biggest change revolves around the size of the dynamic island. According to a well-known leaker, Digital Chat Station, Apple will use Metalens technology to reduce the size of the dynamic island. This is a big deal because since its introduction, the dynamic island has remained the same size, even as other smartphone makers have explored different front-facing camera solutions. With this new innovation, Apple is moving towards a sleeker and more compact design. So what exactly is Metalens technology? Unlike traditional curved lenses used in today's top iPhones, Metalens is a flat, nanostructured optical lens that manipulates light. Because it's significantly thinner and lighter, it takes up less space inside the device, allowing Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island. This means that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will have a much smaller notch area while still retaining its full Face ID capabilities. Digital Chat Station's leak suggests that Apple will integrate a floor-to-ceiling metal Metalens to house the Face ID system. This will help reduce the size of the thinning structural components and further shrink the dynamic island. Interestingly, this Metalens technology is also rumored to be making its way to future iPad models, including a standard iPad Pro and even a foldable iPad. While Apple's ultimate goal is to put Face ID completely under the screen, that could still be several years away. In the meantime, this new approach is a step toward achieving that vision. In addition to a redesigned front, the iPhone 17 Pro is also rumored to feature slimmer bezels, which will contribute to a more immersive display. But that's not the only design change Apple is considering. Several reports indicate that Apple might introduce sloping edges, a pixel-style camera bar, aluminum side rails, and a hybrid back design featuring both aluminum and glass. These changes would give the iPhone 17 Pro a fresh new look, setting it apart from previous models. Apple is also making significant improvements to the camera system. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to feature a powerful 48-megapixel periscope camera, which would enhance zoom capabilities. Additionally, the front-facing camera is rumored to get a major upgrade, moving to 48-megapixel for improved selfies and video calls. These upgrades would make the iPhone 17 Pro one of the most advanced camera smartphones on the market. But Apple isn't stopping there. The iPhone 17 series will be powered by the A19 chip, which will be manufactured on TSMC's upgraded 3nm process. This will result in better performance, improved efficiency, and enhanced battery life. On top of that, Apple is also said to be working on an in-house modem, which could debut in the iPhone 17 Air. Speaking of the iPhone 17 Air, this could be Apple's answer to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. The new model is a... So, what do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro Max and its rumored changes? Are you excited about the smaller dynamic island, the improved camera system, or the new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12GB across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256GB as standard, with 512GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.